We are truly grateful to UNIDO for giving this opportunity to Venture Center for co-creation and delivery of 2 capacity building workshops under their FLCTD project. The national training was led by global experts like Ashley Stevens, Richard Cahoon and John Fraser. The sessions included structured lectures, case studies, simulations and a mini project, hands-on mini project focused on real-world deal structuring. It's been incredibly rewarding to see an enthusiastic participation across the country. We hope the learnings from these courses will translate into real visible impact through stronger TTOs, more empowered technology transfer professionals and the technologies truly reaching to the society.
The FLCTD program, which is run by UNIDO, BE and GEF, has actually carried out a very interesting exercise and survey of all the tech transfer offices in India, and they have discovered in that survey that there are several gaps in the capabilities, in the institutional processes and the various mechanisms, that institutional mechanisms that these tech transfer offices follow. There's also a lack of common language and nomenclature and a set of terms which everybody was using, and in that context it was decided that there should be a training program, a capacity building program for tech transfer offices across India, especially meant for academic and research institutions, which are actually India's source of science-based innovation in many domains today, and they're filing a lot of patents, but to help them commercialize it, such kind of capabilities would be increasingly important in the coming years.
An activity like this accelerates development. It accelerates the development of it for individuals and then therefore of institutions and ultimately of economies. So we, over the past few years, have done so much remotely through Zoom meetings and the like, and progress is made. But face-to-face is so different in that you have these interactions that lead to this feeling of acceleration of development.
I've visited India probably 6 or 7 times starting in 2007. And I've seen a maturation in the interest in academic technology transfer here in the country. It's important, given the rapid change and the rapid growth, to draw in people with a variety of experiences to ensure that you remain on the right path, given the rapid growth, that the mistakes that were made elsewhere are known so you don't make them and slow down the growth here.
The Indian R&D institutions today are at a stage where they have pressure of budget cuts, and there is also pressure on them to get some results from them R&D. Government expects those R&D results to be taken to the industry, to the society. It is therefore important for them to look for transfer of this knowledge and also generate some revenue when the results go to productive sector.
I think all 3 of us were very impressed with the quality of the attendees. They were very engaged. They were asking outstanding questions. It's always very gratifying when you're giving a presentation when people ask you a question that you're going to deal with in 2 or 3 slides' time. Now, it shows that they're following your train of thought and thinking ahead, and we were very impressed with that.
Partnership between UNIDO and Venture Center has enabled us to bring global perspective to enhance tech transfer capabilities in India.
We're very happy to organize this, and we look forward to seeing and building a network of tech transfer professionals for India in the coming years, which will hopefully result in many technologies being transferred, especially in very pressing areas like health, carbon action, environment, energy, and so on and so forth.